Hello kids! Today we're going to draw a yummy summer ice cream. Let's make it colorful and super fun. Let's draw a cute ice cream cone. Color it with bright and beautiful colors. If you love ice cream, show your feelings, like and subscribe. Don't skip kids! Keep watching and colorful pictures together. If you love your dad, hit like and subscribe. Do you like ice cream? Yay! Ice cream is so sweet and super tasty. It keeps us cool on hot summer days. But remember, eat ice cream only sometimes and don't forget to brush your teeth. Now let's enjoy our colorful rainbow ice cream. Yummy! So delicious! Oh no! Our ice cream is melting. Quick! Let's color it before it disappears. Wow! This ice cream is super sweet, super tasty, and full of yummy flavors. Wow! This ice cream looks so yummy. Which flavor would you pick? Tell me in your imagination. Chocolate, strawberry, or vanilla? Wow! Our yummy ice cream is ready.